Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive.
This is day 11 and we are looking at the if formula. What an if formula does, it considers a particular condition and looks or checks if it's being met, and if it's being met, that is true, then it gives us a particular designated result. And if the condition is not being met, it gives us another designated result. So a typical example is when you have a list of students and their marks they have attained in a particular test, and you want to consider if a particular mark a student have attained is more than the pass mark or less than the pass mark, and hence give us a pass or fail in this another column. So what an if formula will then do is it will look at a particular mark here, for example 15, and say, is 15 greater than 50? Then the answer is false. Then it will give us a fail. But if it looks at a 96, for example, it will say, is 96 greater than or equal to 50? Then the answer is true, so it will give us a pass. So how do you do the formula? You say equals if the logical test is that if the mark is greater than or equal to the pass mark, then the result should be pass. Look at how the pass have been automatically put into double quotes here. So if you were not using this formula editor, then you would need to put your pass in double quotes because it's a string. Then otherwise give me fail. So if the result is false, then give me fail. So in other words, if it's less than the pass mark, give me fail. Then I say okay. So you can see here it's telling me that 15 is a fail, which is true. But if I change my pass mark to 10, then it should give me that this one is a pass. Okay, then all I need to do is now to lock my B1 here because I don't want my B1 to move when I drag down the formula. So I'm just going to press F4 and move it, or you can put $sign behind B and another $sign behind 1. So B1, it's now in, I've put $signs behind it. Then I can drag my formula. So if I change again my pass mark to 50, you can see it's now telling me that 44 is a fail, but 50 is pass because I'm saying anything up 50 and above is a pass. 96 is a pass, 12 is a fail, and so on and so on. So that's it with the if formula. Thank you guys.